Welcome to Excel in a minute. In this video, we're going to learn how to utilize the V LOOKUP with the let function and eventually use the formulated functions as an array of information. To kick things off, let's review the syntax for V LOOKUP, index, and let. For V LOOKUP, the arguments are lookup value, lookup array, column index number, and lookup instruction. While index has array, row number, column number, and reference. And lastly, the let has name, value, and calculation, which enable users to define a variable and indicate an operation to perform with the variable. We have here a dataset containing players' information and a lookup counter that returns the three types of information for any player selected from the drop-down list in cell H4. Since we are utilizing the V LOOKUP function, let's build first the V LOOKUP functions for each type of information. Thus, we have the following arguments: H4 as the absolute lookup value, an absolute array ranging from B6 to E17, the column index numbers 2, 3, and 4, and a 0 to return an exact match. After identifying these arguments, we can now formulate a let equation for each type of information by using the V LOOKUP equations as the third argument, cell H4 as the second argument, and utilize the words number, position, and height as the first arguments of the let equation. Now that the arguments are defined and has declared values to it, we can now save it as a function and reuse it again as we see fit. But in this demo, let's call these functions as an array so that the counter can return each type as a set of information. To do that, we can use again let and type in the equation, where info array is the name of the functions turned into a vertical array. And the index function has info array as the first argument and has 0 to return the array declared beforehand. And that's it for this lesson. Should you have questions or comments about this lesson, comment on it below. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel in a minute. You may also check out the link below to download the presentation. We hope to see you in the next lesson.